Larb Lao Chicken Salad. Ingredients: 600 grams chicken mince, 1 handful mint chopped, some reserved for garnish, 1 handful fresh cilantro, coriander chopped, some reserved for garnish, 2 shallots finely chopped, 1 spring onion, green onion finely sliced, 1/4 cup water, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 2 tablespoons lime juice, 3 teaspoons toasted rice powder, 1 teaspoon reserved to garnish, half a teaspoon chili powder or fresh chilies, sliced, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. Instructions: place chicken mince in a mixing bowl. Add half the lime juice and stir through. This will tenderize the chicken. Meanwhile, heat the vegetable oil in a large frying pan or work over high heat. Add the chicken and stir fry until browned and the edges are crispy, around 5 minutes. Transfer to a clean mixing bowl. Add the water, fish sauce, remaining lime juice, toasted sticky rice powder, chili powder and sugar and mix well. Next, add the shallot, cilantro, coriander, spring onion and mint. Toss to combine, then transfer to serving plates. Garnish with extra mint, spring onion and toasted sticky rice powder.